I chose a fast food establishment that is convenient to both my home and neighbor. Prosmas is the name of the establishment. In general, they offer wonderful cuisine and have pleasant ambience, but in some areas they fall short, and we shall see them next. The first issue I'd like to mention is pricing. In general, the business has reasonable rates. The special meals, as we can see, do not exceed 500 pesos, which is a big plus because they compete directly with other fast food restaurants in the region. Although it is not a food item at the highest level of gastronomy, I can say that it is passable and good for its price. It should be noted, however, that I do not see how fair the price of the product is. For example, the empanadas that I order are not the height of their flavor when they cost 40 pesos. The lack of flavor to my taste, they don't have as much feeling as they should for the price that they have. I will advise them to look in the ingredients they are using to prepare the meals and use more quantity when it comes to filling, but other than that, everything is excellent for the price. The second point to mention is hygiene. I have noticed in recent days that they are not adherent to the COVID protocols. I understand that they cannot always be above the people asking them to wear masks or not travel, but I do not see them doing their part when cleaning all the tables every time a customer leaves the establishment. I believe they should have more control because some customers take this issue very seriously. Another thing that corresponds to a hygiene of the place is that they don't have visible toilets for the customers or trash cans, which is a problem for me because I don't like to leave a mess in the place where I was eating. And for the sake of the size hygiene, I know that many customers like me have this difficult and campaign. I would highly recommend them to add more trash cans, visible ones, to the establishment. Finally, I believe another area of improvement is customer service because I have observed that they don't always treat customers well, which could be due to the fatigue or any other external factor. But these are not reasons to be unwilling to treat customers for the business well-being. I also recommend them to teach their employees how to serve well to their customers because that's the main course of a business, to know how to treat with another person. Overall, it's a solid business. It does need to improve on some of the previous mentioned issues, but in general, it is a good business with quality. And if they improve those points, it has the potential to be a first-class firm that continues to advance and to be exceptional in all aspects.